Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to find out your BIOS version of your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. Press Windows key button and here you need to search CMD means command prompt. Okay, and simply open the command prompt. You don't need to open your command prompt in administrator mode. You can open it normally. Okay, and here you need to copy and paste some command. So this command you can get in my video description. Just copy and paste it, and after the command will successfully executed, here you can get your BIOS version, as you can see guys. So this is the very easy and simple method to find out the BIOS version of your Windows 11. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.